Writing a will can be easy to procrastinate. Beyond the grim reality that it represents planning for one's own death, organizing an entire estate can seem like a daunting task. But wills are incredibly important and valuable to not only the person writing it, but to the family and loved ones involved as well. In fact, no matter your age or level of wealth, there are actually many benefits to writing a will. First, a will can protect inheritance for the heirs of your estate. Without a will, a person's property or assets generally pass on to their spouse or children when they die. In fact, this is one reason some might choose to forego writing one in the first place, assuming everything will simply make its way to the appropriate family members without the need to declare it. However, this is not a hard and fast rule for all property, and each state can determine how such possessions will be distributed in the absence of a will. 2. A will allows you to appoint the guardians of a minor. For parents of minors, the absence of a will can actually have a devastating impact on orphan children. If both parents were to typically die without a will, the state must find a suitable fit to care for minors. This could ultimately result in children becoming wards of the state. For this reason, parents should consider writing independent wills that each appoint the same person or people you wish to assume guardianship of your children. 3. You can appoint the executor of your will. The executor of a will takes on a great deal of responsibility, which is all the more reason some people wish to choose the right person for the job themselves. They will oversee the distribution of assets to all appropriate heirs for one, but can also be appointed any duties that involve managing the deceased's unfinished affairs. 4. A will can be amended. While a will is a legally binding document, writing one does not mean that your wishes are suddenly set in stone long before your passing. A second marriage, new additions to the family, and the acquisition of new assets and property can all be factors that change between the day a will is notarized and the time it is to be executed. In any case, the writer of a will has the power to amend their plans at any time. 5. It provides peace of mind. When all is said and done, a will provides peace of mind to all parties involved. It preemptively lifts a lot of potential burdens and questions from loved ones who may not know your wishes otherwise. Your estate is secure, your heirs are chosen and protected, and even your own final wishes are guaranteed to be carried out without second guessing by the loved ones who will miss you. We're eForms, the biggest online database of legal documents. We've got even more information about how to create a will at the link below this video. So click the link and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.